Alright weirdos, here we go. We got a special project. We are going to enter the EVIL LAIR into the National Veterans Creative Arts Competition, and we're going to do it under the categories of metalwork and jewelry. So on this one we're going to do the Velcro statue. We made this for DJ Lynx and Javon Jordan. We're going to cast that. So we got to do a rubber mold, wax, glossed wax casting of it. And I'll probably use DeVerde's metal, the same metal we used in that project. I only got 72 hours to make both of these things. Yeah, 72 hours. So we're going to submit something. That would be a win for me. All right, let's jump into it. Let's go.
Yeah. Let's go. We just gotta go hard. I go the hardest. Bring the pain, not what you used to. It's all part of the game. Yeah, I just gotta go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Yeah. Oh yeah, the beast back. Adrenaline pumping through my veins, can't relax. Original, I am not the same as these cats. I sting them if they never ever mind and they beeswax. I don't ever cap, but I'm wearing like 3 hats. Never been a rat, but I know where the cheese at. You'll never get a trophy cause they all here where we at. You better believe that. When it's all said and done, I'll still be here standing. Never took a loss and it ain't something that I'm planning. I dare you to say something, my focus is A1. Every dog has his day, it's been mine since day one. This is real grinding, I'm still climbing. While you still trying, I'm still shining. It's real blinding, and I'm getting hotter too. Talking top 2, I'm not a 2. You let the pressure bother you and I do what I gotta do. Let's go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Go hard. They ain't coming close to me. Flow is on atomic, I'm starting fires through poetry. The hardest out, staying loyal, no falling out. And if you step into the court, be ready, we ballin' out. Yeah, the coldest of teens, they know what we bring, don't try us. Ain't no in between, we go for these dreams in silence. Hard work, don't mistake it for magic. We been shooting in the gym, this is target and practice. Yeah. And I'm just getting started, getting feet wet. It's all in repetition, ain't a secret. All facts, all black dress code. Pay me my respect, collecting every debt. Oh, the hardest. I bring the pain, not what you used to. It's all part of the game. Yeah, I just gotta go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Go hard. Go hard.
Alright weirdos, so here's what we're going to do next. We're going to go ahead and we're going to carve ourselves a ring using jeweler's wax here. Thinking the Hydra skull with the tentacles, right? Get it on there. I've made this ring before, so I'm comfortable with being able to carve it out. I don't know what my dog's barking at, but we're going to keep going. This is my 4th take. So we're going to go ahead and carve that out real quick, and then we'll do the same thing. We're going to do a lost wax casting of that as well, but I'm going to make that out of a very different metal. Something that may have even come from Atlantis, or at least that's the rumors for it. So let me go shut my dog up, and then we'll carve this out. We're running out of time. We got to get this done. Let's go.
Oh yeah. Yo, let's do this. Now picture homie rolling, let me offer my condolence. You don't know just how I'm doing, and the silence gold I'm broke cause they know him for talking fluent. Got him under the influence, the truest, of talking to him. But a Kanye ego bumping him out music, I'm eschewing. I just doing good a day, gonna have to get explicit. I got love for rappers like I do for my fucking ex-bitches. And I got that pass, though, I'm gonna ask permission if I could kick it. Checking the repertoire, I got that rep on par with the best who did it. I just get it how I'm living. Shout out to the ones that with them. Think that I wanted a ransom with ends gold dog when I'm in the building. And it kind of ironic, who would've thought that I'd be the hottest? Never came close to being no bitch, but you know Snow was a fucking product. Tell me who won it, not what you want, it's bound to be iconic. Baby, you got it. Let me get that love and that's 100, checking the proof on it. When I'm in the spot and I catch the feeling, raising the roof on it. You know that we going about the head. Wait up, y'all ain't ready. Blaze up the whole damn city. Whoa, 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 nah, nah, nah. Get up, I know y'all hear me. Show love. the 530. Did it for the West Coast, did it better than most. Did it with a little soul, couldn't do it alone. So I did it for the squad, now we doing the toes. You know I did it for Detroit, that's why they see me hustle hard. I got the drive and muscle cars and work ethic of my father. Y'all respect him cause you gotta, love to hate him but you oughta. Know you gotta give him props for the way he kept on riding. Now it's fire, 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 I'ma burn it down. These haters all can get the noose, they plan on hanging around. I'm letting loose, when they see me they ain't making a sound. I'm living proof, they turning on you, we been holding it down. But still I put on for my city, man, I put on for my city. Yo, what put on, I suggest you paying dues and you getting busy. Ain't the one to put on anyone that has been riding with me. Whether they friends or they enemies, gonna have to miss me, dog. We bout to head way up, y'all ain't ready. Blaze up the whole damn city. Whoa, 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 nah, nah, nah. Get up, I know y'all hear me. Show love when I'm in your city. Whoa, 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 nah, nah, nah.
Okay, weirdos. So everything's in a plaster right now. We gotta get the plaster set it up. It's almost dried out. And then what we gotta do, because it's plaster of Paris, I can't do my normal thing where I get the heat all the way up to like 1600 degrees, because it's just plaster at the end of the day. But what I can do is I can keep it cooking at about 400 degrees to get the wax to melt out of it and dry it out better, so I can pour a much more lower temp metal into it. You following? So we're just gonna stick those over a coal fire until morning. And before I head off to work, we'll pull them off and let them finish drying out. So yeah, now just need to dry and then we'll put some metal into it. Here we go.
Bring the band in. Woo! Well, alright. Yeah, they want me to fit in, but I can't. I'm too different with it. Too advanced to think. You know my intuition. I got bars and ink, but never in a prison. Too far gone, never gonna sit and listen. This is optimism mixed with the best. You get it? What you're seeing is a beast in the flesh. I'm vetted up. I don't need to try to speak for the rest. Always keep it abrupt. They wanna keep it a mess, you know. This is what you get when you're sitting as a vet. But everybody know that you're a threat. With the rest, let's go. We won't fit in a box. We don't quit, we won't stop. Ride us all to the top. We won't fit in your, we won't fit in your, we won't fit in your box. No, we don't quit, we won't stop. No, ride us all to the top. Whoa. We won't fit in your box. No. Look, I try to tell you we don't fit in your box. Why you try to box me and I got the key to unlock? I know the locksmith, optics, speak of the loss. I'm eating lobster, chopsticks, freaking the boss, you know. I'll never fit in where I go at. Ooh, boss talk like I'm Boaz. Ooh, why fit in when you know you can stand out still? They remember you more when you hand out deals. Let's go. We won't fit in your box. We don't quit, we won't stop. Ride us all to the top. We won't fit in your, we won't fit in your, we won't fit in your box. No, we don't quit, we won't stop. No, ride us all to the top. Whoa. We won't fit in your box. No, don't box me in. I do my own thing, spirit is right within. I got my own way, rather is not within. Look at the way that I do my ops again. Oh, better let me loose. You know that I got the juice. Everything I got to do, words that I speak out my mouth, I gotta move. Oh, oh, we can't fit in your box. You're too cold and you know. We won't fit in your box. We don't quit, we won't stop. Ride us all to the top. We won't fit in your, we won't fit in your, we won't fit in your box. No, we don't quit, we won't stop. No, ride us all to the top. Whoa. We won't fit in your box. No. Thank you, Ben, for coming out tonight. My name is Son of Augustine. Let's go. We won't fit in your box. We don't quit, we won't stop. Ride us all to the top. We won't fit in your box. No, we don't quit, we won't stop. No, ride us all to the top. Whoa. We won't fit in your box. No. Thank you, Ben, for coming out tonight. My name is Son of Augustine.
right, you bunch of weirdos, that's it, we're all done. Not a bad job for about between that 48 and 72 hours worth of work to get this submitted and done. So we've submitted the entry paperwork for both pieces, and from now it goes to like a local competition where they'll review pictures and stuff like that, and then it goes off to the, if it makes it past that, it goes to the national competition. I'll link a video down below in the description about the National Veterans Arts Festival. A little bit of a competition too, but it really wasn't about the competition for me. I just wanted to see, really test those limits to see where I could take this, and this is what we came up with. So we've affectionately called this one the Old Veteran Totem, because it kind of looks like a totem. Again, you may recognize this. We made something similar like this for DJ Links for the Hell Crow thing. Again, given the time that I had to reuse a mold, so I'm super happy to have that, but we kind of kept the concept with the green haze, gave it ice blue eyes. I made its crown out of brass, right? Brass, so it contrasts, and we super shinied his beak. So that's like the shiniest part. The rest of us is wrinkled and old looking, right? All right, and we gave him a cane because he's old. Canes always depict age. All right, cool. And then next, probably the thing that probably will make most people happy is we made a Hydra ring, and we gave him icy blue eyes as well, and it's a pinky ring. Fits right there in the old pinky. Bam! Actually, I might rock that tonight. All right, so that's it. That's this project. It's all finished. It's all done. Again, if you haven't had the opportunity, down in my description, I have a couple of links down there. The art competition, of course, the National Veterans Art Competition Festival. I'll link it down below, please. Check that out. And don't forget, I also have a merch shop, and I sell coffee. Coffee brand coffee. No gimmicks. Just want to give you a good cup of coffee. Definitely check that out. Your support in those things kind of help build things here in the Evil Lair for not only myself, but for other people out there. So thank you again for at least checking it out. I do appreciate that. Other than that, folks, I got nothing else. We're going to get out of here, and we're going to move on to the next project. I'll see y'all soon. Bye. Oh dear old veteran totem, please accept my offering of tobacco and grant my plea to give me an idea for next month, because I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to do. Thank you. Alright, weirdos, so it's late. So what do we do now? Since we used Paris of plaster, we're going to make a wax.